Myself Balram Lodhi, BSc Nursing Tutor, Index Nursing College. Today's my topic is postnatal care. Lesson aims general objective. After completion of this session, the student will be able to acquire knowledge, development, attitude, and skill on postnatal care. Specific object. All the end of the session, the student will be able to knowledge about the first introduction about postnatal care, second definition postnatal care, third aims and objective postnatal care. Specific object. First point, important condition we should acquire in postnatal care. Next, schedule of postnatal care, postnatal exercise. Next, advice given to the mother during discharge postnatal care. Then, advice regarding family planning and sterilization during puerperium. Lesson objective. Introduction about postnatal care. Define postnatal care. Then aims and objective of postnatal care. Then important condition we should acquired in postnatal care. Then schedule of postnatal care. Advice given to mother during discharge postnatal care. Advice regarding family planning and sterilization during puerperium. Introduction. Postnatal care includes systematic examination of mother during postnatal period. Over 5,36,000 women die annually from complication during pregnancy, children birth, or postpartum period. Nearly all of the deaths occur in developing country where fertility rate are high and woman lifetime risk of dying during pregnancy or children birth. Almost all 95% of this maternal death occurred in Africa and Asia. The burden of maternal complication and death is also highest in the first few days of delivery. Next is definition. Care of mother and newborn from 1 hours after delivery up to 6 weeks post delivery. Aims and objective. First is to assess the health status of mother and institute effective their therapy to rectify the detect if any medical disorder like DM, STN should be assessed. Next is to detect and treat at the earliest any gynecologist condition arising out of the obstetric legacy. Next is to note the progress of baby including the minimization schedule for the infant. Next is to important family planning guidance. Next is important condition we should acquire in postnatal care. Maybe underline A. Acquire the to mother. Maybe underline any excessive PN bleeding. Next, puerperal pyrexia. Next is puerperal sepsis. Next is involution of uterus. Next is breast complication. Next is breast enlargement. Then next is mastitis. Then next is cracked nipple, and last is breast abscess. Important condition we should acquire in postnatal care. B. Inquiry to the baby. Under first line is exclusive breastfeeding, then keeping the baby warm, then dry and wrap, then delay bathing for 72 hours, then immunization, then importance of neonatal care. Danger sign of baby. Underline first, reluctant of face, then high pitched cry, then fever, then grunting in drawing of chest, then convulsion, then yellow color eye in baby, then discharge bleeding from umbilical cord. शेड्यूल्स ऑफ पोस्टनेटल विजिट. आपको दिख रहा है कि बच्चे को फर्स्ट टाइम, सेकेंड टाइम, थर्ड टाइम हमें कब विज़िट के लिए लाना है. फर्स्ट विज़िट विथिन 24 आवर, पहली बार में 24 घंटे में हमें डॉक्टर्स को दिखाना है. देन सेकंड विथिन 2 से 3 दिन में. देन थर्ड विथिन 4 to 7 डेज, 4 से 7 दिन में दिखाना है. देन फोर्थ विथिन 40 to 45, 42 से 45 दिनों में बच्चे को विज़िट कराना है. देन पोस्टपार्टम एंड पोस्टनेटल एक्सरसाइज. आफ्टर डिलीवरी के बाद में एक्सरसाइज is more important. You can listen and see. Postnatal exercise should be as soon as possible and continue through the puerperal. It is particularly important for multipara women whose muscles are more flaccid Then those of primipara, it is increases underline muscle tone. Then venous return from the legs and lower abdomen. Then drainage of lochia. Then voiding of urine. This also you can see uh, from the baby body. Then पोस्टनेटल एक्सरसाइज के अंदर अपन देखेंगे कि पोस्टपार्टम एक्सरसाइज बीइंग विद इन 5 रिपीटेटिव 2 or 3 टाइम डेली एंड ग्रेजुएटली इंक्रीज टू 10 रिपीटिशन आफ्टर 2 से 3 हफ्तों में. मोर stance exercise such as up and side leg raised may be added as tolerance. Then we will be see first day of after delivery. First underline pillow, 2 pillow with the patient rest prone position. Then second is possible allow with the abdomen to expand up to exhale slowly but forcefully while contracting the abdomen muscle. Repeat with 6 repetitive. Then we will see फर्स्ट डे पहले दिन में सेकेंड लाइन पेल्विस रॉकिंग लाइक नी टू एब्डोमन. इसमें अपन देखेंगे लाइंग सुपाइन पोजीशन विथ नो पिलो एंड आर्म एट साइड. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो वीडियो में. बेंड राइट नी एंड थाई until foot touched buttock. Strengthen right leg and lower it slowly. Alternate with right and 5 to 6 times. Second day you can see the picture. Buttock lift lesion back with the arm at side knee and feet flat slowly raised buttock. Return slowly to strength position. Repeat with 5 to 10 repeat टाइट. इसको 5 से 10 बार कर सकते हैं. उसके पश्चात अपन देखेंगे उसके पश्चात वी विल सी एडवाइस गिवन टू मदर ड्यूरिंग डिस्चार्ज. Underline we will see advice after normal delivery. First is diet. हम डाइट के बारे में बताएंगे. after delivery. High nutritional diet content containing vitamins, minerals, including iron, folic acid, vitamin C, calcium, etc. Second, should not bear heavy weight for at 3 months. Then next is contraception. Progesterone, underline progesterone only pill, mini pill for first 6 months. Then barriers methods for next 2 days. Then coitus, abstinence in first 1.5 months, within caution next 1.5 months. Then we will see next advice after normal delivery. First advice, birth spacing. बर्थ में स्पेस देना है मिनिमम 2 ईयर, 2 साल का गैप होना चाहिए ईच डिलीवरी. देन ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग. बच्चे को ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग में हम एक्सक्लूसिव ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग फॉर 1 to 6 month एज ऑफ बर्थ बेबी. देन एक्स्ट्रा nutritious foods in additional to breastfeeding from month till 2 year. Then we see immunization. बच्चे को टीका लगवाना है फ्रॉम बर्थ टू early age, like immunization of baby properly as early as possible. Then next is sunlight proper exposure of baby by we see underline by covering the mouth and genitalia. If any symptoms of jaundice appear, please contact with pediatrician. Advice after cesarean section डिलीवरी. एलेसियस डिलीवरी में हम देखेंगे all above advice in addition of following. Underline is should not wear heavy weight for at last 6 months. Then should wear abdomen binder for at least 2 से 3 महीने. Coitus, a blistance in फर्स्ट से थर्ड मंथ तक with caution in next 3 months. Then advice regarding family planning and sterilization during puerperam. Then sometime vasectomy is done during cesarean section. If family is complete or in case of multigravida after proper content. Then if family is not complete or in case NVD, patient is advised and encouraged for permanent sterilization after second baby. Thanks.